Looks like Katie's sitting there with a pistol, waiting for him to move. We got one player behind this bunker, right here.
2 minutes!
Another player over here. Actually, there's two of them there now.
There's 3. Dude, if he takes him out with a pistol.
They're talking about moving.
Four.
Ready. 4 now?
Yeah, I hear there's.
Yeah, there's 3 there.
Pistol,
Here we go. The move is coming right now.
Let him go! Let him go!
He's out. He's out behind the trench. There's one.
Headshot. Oh, he's on our team too?
Yeah.
You out! Let him out! Let him out!
He's out.
1 minute, guys! 1 minute!
Got the hopper.
Player's out. Nice shot with a pistol, Mike.
Got the hopper.
Let him out! Let him out! Let him out! Let's go!